we're going to be making a spaceship explosion. So we're going to select the spaceship sprite and rename its costume to normal. Then we'll draw another costume of an exploding spaceship and call that new costume hit. So if you know how to draw a sprite and draw it like an explosion, feel free to skip on to the next clip. But I'm going to stay here and show you guys how to draw this hit explosion. So it's fairly easy. We're going to be using the sprite we have, the rocket ship. So let's click on the rocket ship and let's head over to the top left where it says code costume sounds. We're going to the costumes. We're going to delete all the other spaceships and we're going to rename the first spaceship normal because this is how it looks normal. Now we're going to paint a new costume for this rocket ship. So we're going to hover to the left side of Scratch and choose a costume. But instead we're going to paint it instead. And the way I usually paint explosions is that I either use the paintbrush tool and I will make it perhaps yellow, orangish. And I will draw some zigzags in a circle in the shape of a star more or less. And that will give my little explosion little drawing a look. Once I use the fill bucket and I fill the drawing, this can be my explosion. Again, just like drawing any other sprites, make sure your sprite is centered. And let's rename this costume to Hit, because if our rocket ship were to get hit by our space alien, this is what it would look like for that second. Once you have that completed, we can go back to normal and let's go back to the coding tab, for we can work on the next step, which is coding the spaceship explosion.